Guys, today we're trying a new restaurant and it's called Crossroads Restaurant. Let's go check it out, man, on this Sunday morning. I sat down, this was my view. Here's the bathroom, and here's the food I got. Now let's get to the video. Yeah guys, it's pretty cool here. You can do the buffet or order off the menu. I got the buffet, she ordered off the menu. She's gonna get what? Patty melt. That patty melt looked good, and she told me it was great. Yeah guys, everything's really good. Got seconds, these corn muffins.
You got no meat here.
Yeah, I know, I ate it all. Yeah, people still pulling up. Guys, we're eating, look at that. Yeah, these are great. Yo, I just got done with everything. I'm gonna show you the parking, then we're gonna review it. So there's some parking. Here's some parking in the front, and then you can park on the side. It's right next to the Marathon gas station, the Subway, and the Town Star. Now let's go review it. So how did you like everything? We pass it all the time.
It was very good.
Yeah, she liked it, man. I liked it. The biscuits were good.
The French fries were addictive.
Yeah, man. Everything was great, dude. For real. Like, I'll definitely have breakfast
usually
here.
eat French fries.
Yeah, we had like
good.
lunch, dinner here, brunch. We're gonna have breakfast though, because their breakfast menu looked great.
The stew is kick-ass.
Oh man, I had the
It's
stew,
$10.
the baked potatoes, the mashed potatoes, the rice. Yeah, all you can eat. Biscuits were great.
Oh my God.
Yeah, everything was great. So we highly recommend. Don't forget, check out the playlist section because we cover all restaurants in Florida. And thanks for watching, guys. We appreciate it. Hey guys, if you like the video you just seen, please hit the like button and the subscribe button. We really do appreciate it. Thank you for taking time out of your day. Have a great day.